They had me at fried dough and powdered sugar.
They had me at powdered sugar. That's absolutely right. Can't get any better than that. What did she say? It's nothing better than fried dough, huh?
That's right. How are conditions looking today?
If you're planning on heading out there today, it's going to be just like yesterday, a spectacular day yesterday, and we're going to be in store for much of the same this afternoon as well. Lots of sunshine to go around. We'll see the humidity start to increase just a little bit, which is what made yesterday so fantastic. We had lots of dry air in place, but as we go into this afternoon and going on into Friday as well, and most definitely on into the weekend, that humidity going to rise just a little bit farther up and as we continue to move on. We are at 64 degrees right now. This is an absolutely wonderful treat for us here in South Texas to have 60s for this time of year. Calm winds, just a few clouds across the area, and the dew points right now are all into the middle to upper 60s. These were mainly into the 50s by yesterday afternoon, so these have come up just a little bit, and the 24-hour dew point change from this time yesterday was about minus 15, I should say. Now these numbers are all in the positive, which is an indication that those dew point levels are beginning to rise once again. So as we look at the hour-by-hour forecast, as we plan your day on out for you, look at all that sunshine as we go into the morning hours. That was 78 by 11 o'clock with an east-northeasterly wind at 13 miles an hour. I think it will be a little bit on the breezy side for today. We'll eventually look for east-northeasterly winds around 9 to 18 miles an hour, but we'll top out once again into those mid-80s right here in Corpus Christi, about 85 degrees, 80 off in Port Aransas, 83 in Rockport, and still pushing into those mid to lower 90s inland, ranging from 93 in George West, Freer out near San Diego, to 91 for our friends over in Falfurrias. A lot of folks asking about how's Mother's Day weekend shaping up, and there's a look at some of our moms out there, and producer Mom Kelly and her son Noah, director Allie and her mom, and producer Luke and his mom there, and even my mom and my grandma are some of the pictures that you're seeing there this morning from some of our sunrise crew. 90 degrees, partly cloudy, humid. It's going to be a hot and windy one as well. Just be sure if you have those outdoor plans with mom, you kind of tape everything down because it's going to be a windy one out there. Marine forecast, absolutely gorgeous. Bays will be slightly choppy. The sea's 2 to 5 feet. The UV index is going to be extreme, and the rip current risk is low as well. Tide times over at Bob Hall Pier just before the 1 o'clock time frame. Port Aransas Jetty at 1:30, Nueces Bay at 3:11, and then at the Packery Channel later on this evening at 6:19. Moderate counts of grass, ragweed, and tree are all into the pollen count for today, but the mold is on the low end. So here's a look at the wind. This is going to be the trick to our forecast here, and we'll see those humidity levels rise just a little bit. East-northeasterly, breezy for today, breezy for tomorrow as well, and then as we head on into that weekend, Saturday and on into Sunday, the south-southeasterly winds will take over at around 15 to 25 miles an hour. So high pressure just off to the east of us. That's going to give us that return flow off the Gulf of Mexico. This frontal boundary up to the north of us is going to skip us and move on towards the east, and we'll just be left with high pressure. So very nice today, 84 tomorrow, 87 on Saturday. More humidity across the region. Our next best chance of rain comes late Tuesday on into Wednesday with another front. Paulo.